investing in crypto. Mas maganda bang mag-crypto mining ka na lang? Meaning you will use the mining rigs to earn your cryptocurrency? Or mas okay ba na gumamit ka na lang ng exchanges such as Binance? And ano yung mga pros and cons ng bawat isa? So in this video, pag-uusapan natin based on my perspective as a crypto miner and also as someone that used to buy cryptocurrencies from apps like Binance. This way, mas madali na for you to decide kung ano bang strategy ang mas tama sa'yo or maybe both. But at the end of the video, sasabihin ko yung opinion ko kung para kanino siya bagay and para kanino naman siya hindi bagay. Kasi alam naman natin na starting a mining rig operation is a capital intensive endeavor. And the last thing that we want is to shell out hundreds and thousands of pesos tapos marirealize mo bigla hindi pala siya para sa'yo. So if this is interesting for you, hit the subscribe button and let's start with the video. So unahin na natin yung buying from exchanges such as Binance or yung mga PDAX, di ba? Na familiar tayo. I think right now parami yung mga new ways or new apps that you can use to buy cryptocurrencies, and it's much more accessible to buy cryptocurrencies with other asset classes. Kumbaga, merong mga apps na pwede ka nang mag-buy ng crypto, nandun na rin yung NFTs, nandun na rin yung mga tech stocks mo. So not only it's easier to use but also more accessible. Ang isa pang advantage nito guys is when you're ready to invest, you're able to get the full amount of your investment. So for example, meron kang 100,000 or 200,000 or 50,000 or maybe just 10,000, di ba? Pwede ka na mag-start. Mababa yung barrier to entry niya. Unlike sa mining na kailangan mong gumastos ng medyo malaki-laki. Tapos kung gusto mo naman mag-diversify, no, mag-diversify to other coins, mas madali na rin yung gawin because you also have the swap feature. At Jomak, teka, pwede ko rin naman yung gawin sa mga na-mine ko na coins eh. Yes, you can do that. Pero it will take you a longer time to be able to mine the same amount of coins. Yun yung ibig ko sabihin doon. Dagdag mo pa dito, you don't have to worry about the physical security, yung mismong structure, kung saan mo i-house yung mga mining rigs mo. You don't need to do additional training kasi kailangan mo lang naman bilhin yung cryptocurrencies. So, mas madali siyang gawin. Ngayon, punta naman tayo guys dun sa mining side of things. And honestly, marami sa inyo yung mga nagtatanong sa videos or through our Facebook pages, yung mining rig parts and supply, even dun sa PC Factory na page, and sometimes even sa Shopee store natin, nagtatanong kayo. Majority of you guys, I advise na just buy the coins, especially kapag mababa ang price ng coins or do dollar cost averaging. Kasi I know that a lot of you is hindi naman ganun ka-technically savvy, especially yung mga bagong viewers lang ng channel na to. Pero yung iba naman sa inyo, and marami sa inyo, are PC enthusiasts like me, iba naman yung sinasabi ko sa kanila. One of the advantages ng cryptocurrency mining, especially if you have your own computer, okay, Windows computer na merong discrete graphics card, yung parang mga ganito, readily available yung equipment. You don't need to pay for it extra. You just have to learn how it works and run a software. So for a lot of people, myself included, parang ang sarap magbuting-ting, mag-explore ng new softwares. So I understand yung appeal for crypto mining itself. Add mo pa dito, in my opinion, okay, kasi personal experience ko, when you're building something, iba yung effect niya eh. Parang iba yung practical na may ginagawa ka ng piece of equipment, nagpo-program ka. In short, ang dami mo na pick up na bagong skills that you can also apply to other aspects of your life. Sa crypto mining, sobrang dami ko nang natutunan. Like say for example, yung basics ng PC building, troubleshooting, opening graphics cards, cleaning graphics cards, basics ng Linux, electrical layouts, even yung structure mismo, kung saan mo hinahouse yung mga rigs, how the blockchain works. So, yung mga topic na yun, gustong-gusto kong nalalaman. And as someone that has a bit of a passion for science and technology, gustong-gusto ko talaga silang nalalaman. Kasi naisip ko, what other things yung madadevelop from this technology in the near future na makakatulong para sa akin. Again, hindi siya para sa lahat ng tao, pero maraming tao ang nag-e-enjoy na gawin to. Another advantage, in my opinion, is medyo naaalis ka doon sa parang sirkulasyon na kailangan mo mag-trade, kailangan mong habulin yung pinakabagong coin, yung meme coin, kailangan magtingin ka ng mga market signs, etc. Ganyan. Hindi ako ganun mag-invest guys eh. I know a lot of people do that and yung iba siguro merong or kumikita doon. Pero for me, nandun ako sa more conservative approach. Cryptocurrency in itself is a speculative investment already. So ayoko nang dagdagan yung temptation para mag-buy, sell, trade ako ng crypto. For me, okay na sa akin ang magmina. Kasi day in, day out, meron akong kita. Para siyang dollar cost averaging na din, in a way. Dagdag mo pa dito, yung experience ko when I started. So when I started mining cryptocurrency, ang Bitcoin price is around $30,000 to around $32,000. So, kung mapapansin mo, or kung mapapansin nyo, na right now, ang Bitcoin is almost more or less the same price. Again, umakyat nga siya na 68,000, pero hindi naman kasi ako yung nagte-trade, yung bili-benta. Mas naniniwala ako na buy and hold mo lang siya for a long time. Ang ibig ko sabihin dito is kung bumili ako nung time na yon, okay, hindi ako nagmina nung time na na-discover ko yung Bitcoin, and I held until now, basically I still lost money kasi nasa 29,000 lang ang Bitcoin as of August 2023. Whereas dahil nagmina ako, and there is a profitable coin at the time, which is Ethereum, tapos sinabayan pa ng bull run, then I was able to recoup my investment sa mining. Actually, sobra-sobra pa. Now, I'm not gonna lie, nag-deleverage din ako recently, and a lot of the earnings I made, nilipat ko naman sa real estate kasi alam ko na during times of fear and panic and inflation or recession is much more stable yung real estate as an investment vehicle. Plus, kailangan ko na rin kasi sobrang overdue na ako mag-invest sa isang property. But still, yung in-invest ko that time, kung nag-invest ako directly, binili ko lang yung Bitcoin, I would have lost a little bit of money. Kumbaga dahil hindi siya masyadong gumalaw from December 2020, I think, was the time until now. Ngayon, kung nag-sell ako nung peak, then ibang story yon. And I wish na marami sa inyo na nakabili nung mababang price tapos nag-sell nung peak na market. Next, add ko na rin dito yung some of my clients. So, some of my clients, meron naman na silang business that has to do with rendering. So, meron silang mga rendering farms for architecture. So, sayang na rin, nandun na rin equipment no, for the GPUs. So, might as well just use it kapag panahon ng pagmimina. Tapos, papagamit na lang din nila sa employees nila for rendering kapag hindi na kailangan gamitin. Some of you, walang cost yung electricity kasi it may be something that has to do with yung agreement nyo sa kung saan kayo nagsistay or saan kayo nagre-rent. Some of you, nasa staff house or provided ng company nyo yung electricity. So, wala kayong cost for that. And, syempre, alam naman natin, a lot of you guys are using solar. So, yung iba nagmimina sa umaga tapos nakapatay yung rig sa gabi. Di ganun karami yung mga taong ganito, but they do exist. And honestly, for me, crypto mining is not for everyone and it should not be for everyone. Kasi, at the end of the day, it's still a risky or speculative investment vehicle. So basically, what I'm trying to say with this video, guys, is yung mining is for the more tech-savvy, kaya nilang i-handle yung speculative part of it. Plus, hindi lang sila nagmimina just for the sake of earning, but more of exploring what's out there. So ngayon, nababalitaan natin a lot of the rendering farms nagiging utilized for AI research. And for example, sa akin, I am dreaming of building my own machine learning rig, no? Pagka medyo may alam na ako dun sa subject na yon. So, yun yung things that I live for. That's why mas preferred ko na magmina. But for majority of you, I think you're better off doing peso cost averaging with your crypto. Again, I'm not saying time the market, okay? Time in the market. So for example, last December, kung nag-average ka lang kahit nung pinaka peak talaga ng crypto bago siya mag-crash. Tapos 'di ba, after noon nag 16,000 ba siya or $15,000 lang, basically baba lang ng cost. Kung nakabili ka nung time na yon, then more or less you could have almost doubled your money until now. So I think yung pinaka lowest yata niya is last year ng November or December. But ultimately, it's still your choice. So if you want to explore naman, mining talaga, you want to give it a shot, especially now na mura lang yung parts compared nung bull market natin, I recommend that you start small. And if you want to have DIY parts or even yung full rigs built for you, links down below. Andiyan yung links ng Facebook pages namin. You can also put your questions on the comments para alam ko kung ano yung gusto nyo for the next videos naman natin. And always remember that this is not financial advice. Sinasabi ko lang kung ano yung opinion ko and ano yung experiences ko as a crypto miner. At the end of the day, I still think na you need to diversify through a couple of asset classes para ma-mitigate or ma-manage yung risk ng portfolio nyo. Kaya for the next video, pag-uusapan naman natin yung differences between asset classes such as crypto, stocks. Doon sa stocks, meron tayong value stocks, meron tech stocks, real estate, even gold or commodities, yung mga ganon, debt, and other things na you should consider investing into, especially during these times. So kung yung topic na yun is gusto mong malaman or gusto mong ma-compare yung differences ng mga yon, stick around for the next video. Jomak here, and thank you for watching.